Don't get married, Mike.
Hey, I'm going on 10 happy years. We've been together for 20. All right, guys. Well, welcome back to the show. As you can see, I'm out on the water. I'm out here with Ed and Cap. So tonight we're fishing a 14-hour catfish tournament. It's an overnight tournament. So yeah, that's what we're doing. It's about 10 minutes to launch. Got all these boats out here. So it's supposed to get pretty cold tonight. I think a low of 45.
45, 49.
45-ish, something like that. So I've got my ice fishing coveralls and everything with me in case I get cold. Hopefully I've got enough clothes. But hopefully we can hook up some fish tonight. Ed's been out here. He pre-fished a couple days ago and managed to pull in some good sized fish. A nice big blue and a few other things. So we're gonna try some different stuff. I didn't even bring any fishing poles with me. I had them with me in the truck, and Ed said I didn't need them. We've got like 4 ugly sticks, a couple of slime cats, and then what are the blue ones?
Daiwa beef sticks.
Daiwa beef sticks. So we've got plenty of rods in the boat. So
beefy rods for beefy fish.
Beefy rods for beefy fish. I don't know if you'd be able to reel my beefcake ass in. All right, guys. We're on a good lake. It's a wake lake. So once we get the green light, we are going to haul ass across the lake and see what we can do. And we're about to launch now, guys. So anyways, stay tuned. We'll see what we can do tonight. And we're off. I'm gonna sit on my ass so I don't die. I got went face first into the windshield.
Go right here.
Yeah, I turned around. All right, guys. So we're at our first spot. We're gonna get a few rods tossed out. I probably didn't tie that on there right. And we're gonna get to fishing. So I'm not gonna leave the camera running all the time, obviously. I grabbed a little clamp so I don't have to run the big ass tripod in here. And I guess I'll get back to you if we catch anything. What are we throwing out first for bait?
Secret.
It's a secret. They're gonna know.
No, they won't.
Okay, well, it's a secret.
They can see it, but they won't even know what it is.
Ed doesn't want... God dang. What the fuck was it? Somebody forget to turn the blower on when they started their boat? You want to cut up a gill or?
That's what I like to throw a variety just to start.
See what they bite on first, yeah. So guys, those are some of the gills I caught in the last video.
Shout out, Mike.
I'm doing something, you know. All right, guys. We got, something's already taken this one.
Sure something.
Dude, no, my line's straightening out right now. Feel like that one might have got hit. Anyways, guys, we got 4 rods out. And we're gonna see if we can catch something. Straightening out again a little bit. I don't know. We'll see, guys. See if we can catch anything. Stay tuned.
That one comes down.
Getting a bite on this one, guys.
What I put on that one for you?
That's got chicken on it.
That's my chicken.
All right, guys, we're gonna make a move. Are we going drift? All right, guys, like I said, we're gonna make a move. We're gonna go try and do some drifting, and I guess I'll see you there. All right, guys, we've made it out to the middle of the lake. We're getting some rods set up. We're gonna stick 2 straight out the side and then 2 angled off the back. We've got these big slime cat rods off each side, and then we're running the Daiwa beef sticks straight off the back, basically. And we're gonna troll. We're not drifting because there's really not much wind. There's supposed to be like a 6-mile-an-hour wind, but we really don't have anything right now, so we're probably gonna have to power drift, power troll, whatever you'd like to call it. So we're gonna get some bait thrown on these rods and we're gonna start fishing. I'll get back to you guys if we catch something. I guess I can give you a time check for the night, 7:33. So we haven't been at it long yet. I think we got one drifting, guys. Cap's gonna reel this one in if it It hit a couple times.
You hit it good.
Yeah.
If you don't feel them, just set it back in the holder.
Can't.
No, go ahead and set it in the holder. Mike's is a little further out, so if he misses that one, you go right over his.
Well, I guess I can give you guys an update before the sun completely goes down. As you can see, it's down past the horizon. Just
That lets me know what I needed to know.
just one hit, but yeah, they hit the chicken.
That was a good hit.
Yeah.
Way better than back there.
Yeah, so we've got these rods straight out and then one off the back on each side. So I guess false alarm on that one. We'll get back to you if we catch anything else, or if we catch anything else. Get back to you if we actually catch them. All right, Caprice has got one. Ed's gonna come in with the net. I'm just gonna film back here. Oop, don't fall off the boat, bud. Get her. So guys, we've only got 4 rods in, but Cap's gonna reel this in anyways. Tournament director is cool with it.
You can't do that, Cap. You're letting it get slack on you.
Does it feel big?
I don't know.
Not a bad one.
No,
Not a bad one. That'll keep.
it'll weigh in out here.
There we go, guys. We'll get a weight on this one and we're gonna toss it in the basket. Do you want the scale?
Yeah.
Okay. Me.
Oh,
Don't lose
you
it.
got a nice bite.
Did I? Oh yeah. Take it. It's a little dark, I know. Find my scale. Here. Scale.
It's your fish.
I got a fish on? Give me it.
You want to talk about chaos?
I'm on, boys.
Nice double. That's a double.
Hell yeah.
You can feel it, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not
Get the trolling motor.
it's not very big.
Don't matter.
How do I do it though? Ed, I don't know how to work this.
It's just left or right. That little pad, that larger square pad, you could tilt it left or right to steer. Starting to dig a little bit. Oh, that's a good one. There we go, guys.
All right, I gotta get the troller.
Okay.
Cap,
Yeah.
just short of 5 pounds. It's not a bad fish.
All right. First one was 5 pounds, guys. I don't know if you can even see me with the lights. Seven three.
Just around 12.
So we've got about 12 pounds in the boat, guys. We got a couple fish. We got to get these other rods back out, and then I need to get a headlamp and stuff on. If we hit them again, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna see if we can catch something else. Cap's on with something. Seems decent.
To drag like you is decent. Yep,
You got it. You got
don't
it.
have to force them in here, Kev. We don't have a lot of fish.
Trying to.
Well, that seems like a decent one.
Yeah. These drags on those are pretty tight.
You got it.
Oh, he's
There
not
you
bad.
go. That's not bad. Is that a flathead?
No.
Just dark. Oh, there we go.
A little closer to 5 than our other one was.
Well, there we go. About a 5 pounder, guys. Three fish in the basket. So we've got 3 in the basket now for what? About 17 pounds.
Yeah.
And we're continually getting hits, but we're not hooking up with a ton. We're just drifting right now, not trolling or anything. We're just drifting across the lake. We've got our 4 rods out, so Anyways, guys, I'll get back to you if we catch another one. We're, I guess let me give you a time check, how far in we are on this. It is 12:19. So stay tuned, guys. We'll see if we can hook up with another one. I think Ed might be on. Yeah? Got the net?
Yep. I know how big he is, but
Little guy. We got 5 in the boat.
4.
Oh, 4, yeah.
Oh, he's
Not bad. Kind of taking turns reeling the fish in back there, guys, because we can only have 4 rods out for the tournament.
not a total dink.
It's not bad. I mean, it definitely helps, yeah. So time check is 12:41, guys. Not too much longer after that last one Cap got. 3.7, guys. All right, fish number 4 in the basket, boys. Nice one, Ed.
Don't sleep on me.
All right, guys. Get back to you if we catch something else. Ed's on. Let me wipe this lens off. It's all damp out here. This is the first hit we've had in a while. Just a little guy, but there's our full bag. We now have 5 fish in the boat. You need a net. There, I got it. Try not to knock that shit out.
Right on. We're not getting thrown into the full basket. That's all you can ever ask for.
Yep, we got a basket. Guess I'll give you guys a bit of a time check. It is 3:27 in the morning.
And Wyatt's going to be sharing some strange encounters he had around his dad's property. And I got a chance to talk with Wes too as well.
Go 4.
And he'll be sharing some of the weird things he's experienced
Tilted straight
on
up,
the
though.
property. And then we're going to be chatting with Nathan and Dan.
3.9.
From Utah.
That's all right.
Still full bag. I mean, now we just got to start calling them.
They're in the middle of nowhere. And Dan's going to be sharing what
All right, guys. Well, we've put the 5th fish in the boat. I still have the biggest fish. We'll see if we can hook in anything else. No blues or flatheads yet. You can't keep flatheads here anyways in this tournament. So it'd be nice to get a blue because typically blues get bigger than channels do, but we have not managed to hook into one yet. So we're gonna get this guy tossed in the basket and see if we can cull some of the smaller fish out of there and get a bigger bag. So stay tuned, guys. We'll see what we can do. We've got, what, 4 hours or so left. So anyways, guys, there we go. Sun's coming up, guys. Well, good morning. It's about 7:15, so we've got like 45 minutes till weigh-in starts. We haven't caught one since 3 something. Yeah, 3 something in the morning. We've caught exactly 5 fish. We haven't been able to cull any out. I'm currently getting hits on this rod right here. And I think you're getting hit. I thought you were getting hit back there. Yeah, it just tapped it again. So hopefully we can pull something else in before we actually have to go weigh in. It's cold out here, guys, if you can't tell. We're listening to We're listening to Sasquatch Chronicles on Pandora. Just enjoying the day.
My personal opinion, it's
We'll see if we can hook in anything else before weigh-in. Stay tuned,
gotta
guys.
be something.
Yeah. Other side, go again. The wide side. Always give your fish to Dougie first. He likes to get stabbed. Where'd I put you, buddy?
Big fish, 7.45. 5 fish. $25.30.
That's more than I thought. 25.30.
Mr. Vice President, come here. You ain't done nothing today. Hand out the money. His hands are all dirty. You take care of them checks. And you shake everybody's hand when you give them a check, too. You be nice. Don't get impeached, goddammit. Don't get impeached. Okay.
Best part of the video right here.
5th place, 34.10. Haiti and Howe.
Damn it.
Come on, one of you shy bastards. Get up here.
Don't want to touch my hand.
You don't want no money? Stay back there. I'll take
your money.
Good job.
4th place. Where'd it go? Horner and Nelson, 38.25. Wade last, but that didn't matter. Nice job, guys. 3rd place, 43 pounds even. Briette.
I have no idea where that fucking hand's been.
2nd place, 50.85. Kramer and Regnier.
Good job, guys.
I'll shake hands too, why not?
1st place with Big Fish. Big Fish was a big blue, 40.95. Warren and Gyra. Total weight, 55.30. Good job, guys.
Good job.
Baby channels.
So saying you gotta get a big blue to win.
Oh yeah. That's a solid bag. All right, guys, we're out of the water. We get way in. You guys already saw that. We had a good time tonight. We didn't manage to place, which would have been really cool, but it is what it is. At least I caught a fish this time. I didn't catch one at the last tournament, and we all managed to reel one in, so it was pretty awesome. Kitty tournament season is getting to the end. What, you got a couple left? One left, and that's an invitational thing. He's got somebody else to fish it with, so I won't be fishing that. Hopefully next year I can have my own boat and I'll be out here. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.